Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. As you can see on the preview right now, we're starting with front underhand dumbbell raises. We're going for 15 repetitions. We're going to move through these as quickly as possible. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1, and let's go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Squeeze the chest. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 5 more. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, and 5. Drop down on the ground. Give me 50 scissor kicks. Remember, moving through this as quickly as possible today. We have 5 exercises, 4 sets, 4 times through. Ready? And let's go for 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep the lower back pressed against the ground as much as you can. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Come on, let's go 30 more. We got 20 more. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Leaves us 10 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, we're moving on to 20 chest presses. What I like about working these on the floor, it does protect your shoulders. My shoulders are not the greatest shoulders in the world. They do hurt, and the floor keeps me from overextending. So we're going for 20 chest presses. You guys ready to go? Let's go. 1, 2, touch and go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright guys, I'm trying to use weights that are also very difficult for me to use. These workouts are not easy for me. Alright, we'll move on to mountain climbers. Full extension on the legs, bring them all the way as far as they go. So, give myself a lot of room. We're going for 20, ready? So the leg comes all the way up, so ready? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, now we're going for some dumbbell pullovers. You can use a single dumbbell, which I'm going to do on the first set as a warm-up, and then I'm going to see if I can do a double dumbbell. So pull over, extend your arms up, drop the dumbbell back. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Come on. 1 and 2. And that concludes set number 1. We're moving down to set number 2. Same exercises. Get my larger dumbbells, and let's go for 15. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1. Squeeze up. 2. Come on. 3. Work with me. 4, 5, 6. Try not to sway too much. 7. Just press up. 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. And 5. All right, on the ground. 50 scissor kicks. My pace. Keep it controlled. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 20. Keep going. 1, 2. Come on. Good core. 3, 5. 30. Keep it up. Keep it up. 1. 10 more. Ready? 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, grab those dumbbells. We're going for those chest presses. And we're going for 20. You guys ready? Up, and let's go. 1, touch and go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Come on, 1, let's go. Keep it up. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, last one, and 5. Beautiful. Drop the weights. We're going for those mountain climbers, guys. Remember, legs all the way up, as high as they go. Ready? And to the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, and 10. And flip over. 10 pullovers. I'm gonna go with double dumbbells on this one. Might be a little heavy, but hey, it wouldn't be a workout if we didn't challenge ourselves. Ready? Let's go. Hope I don't hit anything. Oh yeah, much better. 1, 2, try to get a good extension. Weight almost to the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Safely put the weights on the ground. Safe as I can get. All right, halfway done, guys. I like this workout today. I'm liking this. I love working out with you guys. Let's get going. 15-foot front raises. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2. Work that chest. 3, 4, 5. Set number 3. Keep it going. 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo. Set number 3, scissor kicks on the ground. And let's go for 50. Legs out and leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 20. Keep it up, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 20 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chest presses. 20 repetitions. Ready? And let's go. Weights up, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8. Touch and go. 9, 10. 10 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Great job, everybody. All right, mountain climbers. Woo. This is set number 3. I keep on reminding myself because I keep on reminding you. You guys ready to go? Let's go. 1, back, 2, back, 3, 4. Keep moving. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. Ready? 2, come on, 3, all the way up, 4, 5, keep everything tight, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, pullovers, heavy dumbbells. Let's go, see if I can muster another 10. Are you guys ready to go? Got room behind me? Yes, I do. Good enough. And let's go. 1, 2. Control, move it over the weight drop, control it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Whew. All right, guys, 3 sets down, 1 set to go. We know what to do. Front raises. Let's go. Grab your weights and work with me. Last set, ready? 15 reps. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 left. 1, 2, come on. 3, push it. 4, this is it. 5 left. 5 reps. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. That's it for the 15s for this workout. And move this far out of the way. All right, scissor kicks, guys. On the ground, we're going for 50. Legs up, back against the ground, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 40 left. 2, 3, we got this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 30 left. 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway. 6, come on. 20 left, let's go. 1, 2, last round. 4, 5, keep it going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, chest presses, guys. Grab those dumbbells. Sit back. And let's go for 20. You guys ready? Touch and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 left. Let's go. Count down with me. 10. Come on. 9. Louder. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2. Last one and 1. Beautiful. Great job, everybody. All right. Move this over. We're going for our mountain climbers for one and last and final time. Get in position, plank position. Let's go. 1, 2. Keep it up. 3, 4. Leg all the way up. 5, 6, 7. Work with me. 8, 9. Beautiful. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. All right, once last and final set. Dumbbell pullovers, going heavy again. I can do it one more time. And let's go. Lay down, weights up, and weights back. 1, 2. Don't drop the weights. Control the weight throughout the motion. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1. Can squeeze out 1 more. And 2. Safely drop the weights. And that's our workout, guys. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for almost 4 years running now. So if you like a workout for home, if you like working out with me, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, give me a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.